How do I add citations using Mendeley? Are you struggling with how to add citations in your academic work? Mendeley can be a game changer for students looking to streamline their citation process. Let's break down the steps to make this easy and efficient. First, you need to have the Mendeley Reference Manager installed on your computer. You can download it from the Mendeley website. Once installed, you can start building your library. You can add references by uploading PDF files, entering details manually, or using identifiers like Digital Object Identifier. Organizing your references into collections can help you find them quickly later. Next, to insert citations directly into your document, you will need to install the Mendeley Cite add-in for Microsoft Word. This add-in creates a sidebar that connects to your Mendeley library. After installation, log into your Mendeley account through the sidebar to sync your references. Now let's get to the fun part, adding citations. Place your cursor in the document where you want the citation to appear. Use the Mendeley Cite sidebar to search for the reference you want to cite. You can do this by typing keywords, author names, or titles. Once you find the reference, select it and click the Insert Citation button. Your citation will show up in the text in the style you have chosen. If you need to cite multiple sources at once, you can do that too. Just select the existing citation in your document, then use the Add Reference option in the sidebar to include additional references. After you have added your citations, you will want to create a bibliography or reference list. Place your cursor where you want this list to appear. In the Mendeley Cite sidebar, click Insert Bibliography or Insert Reference List. Mendeley will automatically generate a formatted list of all the works you cited in your document. Mendeley supports various citation styles, including American Psychological Association, Modern Language Association, and Chicago. You can select or change the citation style anytime from the Mendeley Cite sidebar, and your citations and bibliography will update automatically. To keep everything in sync, make sure your Mendeley library is synced across all your devices. This way, any new references you add will be available when you are inserting citations. You can also use tags, favorites, or collections within Mendeley to quickly find references while writing. By integrating Mendeley into your writing process, you save time and reduce errors in citation formatting. This tool helps maintain consistency and makes managing references straightforward. It is especially helpful for students who want to focus more on content rather than citation details. Plus, Mendeley allows you to annotate PDFs and collaborate with peers by sharing collections, which can further streamline your research and writing process.